An introduction to division. The following short films will give you an introduction to how to work division sums. In the films we will be looking at short division, where you work your sum across the page, long division, where you work your sum down the page, and decimal division. With short division and long division, the answers may or may not have a remainder at the end of the sum. A division sum is made up of three parts. You have the divisor, which is the number doing the dividing, the dividend, which is the number being divided, and the quotient, which is the answer. So in this example, the divisor is 12, the dividend is 4,872, and the answer to how many times does 12 fit into 4,872 is 406. Before you start any division sum, I would advise you to write the times table of the divisor down the edge of your page. All of the examples following are using the divisor of the number 12. If you have a larger number which you find difficult to work out the times table of, for example, say you had 32 as your divisor, you will have to work out the times table with repeated addition. 32, 64, then add on another 32, 96. And I appreciate this takes some time to do, but it will make things much easier for you as your sum progresses. As I work the examples, you will find that I sometimes add zeros at the beginning of the sum, and I will cross numbers out as I go along, as I work the sum. You don't have to do all this as you become more confident. I'm purely doing it so you can visually see how the sum is progressing. I hope you enjoy the films, and I hope they help you to understand what division is about. If it helps you, think of it as a sum of money being divided between a certain amount of people. In this example, we could say we have a sum of money of £4,872 and it's to be divided between 12 people. The answer to the sum is that they would end up with £406 each. Another way of thinking of division is that it's repeated subtraction. You keep taking 12 away from this number until you end up with 0 or a small remainder. So work through the films, and I hope that by the end of them you will find division a lot easier.